Great customer service. Instructions not real clear on wiring. Happy to have my sauna room back up and running. Had electrician install, works perfect. You get what you pay for. Electrician told me these are top-notch heaters. Excellent. I have owned the Finlandia FLB-60 for over 24 years without any problems. Over the years I have averaged using it 3-4 times per week from September to May each year. It has performed wonderfully all those years. No maintenance, no problems. The warranty on these and many sauna heaters is only 1 year on parts and 5 years on labor. If, as in my experience, these saunas can last 24 years, I can't understand why the warranties aren't much longer. Would be a great marketing tool. Just recently my heater is finally not heating and it is time to buy another. No complaints after 24 years. Chris F. in Derry, New Hampshire. I love this heater. Lightweight, very efficient. I had nothing but trouble with the cheaper Tool heaters. Bit the bullet and paid more, but absolutely think it is worth every dime. We are finally able to enjoy the sauna with complete confidence that the heater is going to work perfectly. Nicely made, exterior stays relatively cool and sauna heats up in 15 to 20 minutes. Had a friend who was electrician check the wiring and help install it, took 45 minutes. Great product so far. Works good, would get one size larger than recommended if need to replace. Click on the link below to see price.